The 2026 BMW X5 embodies a balance between luxury, performance, and advanced technology, elevating it in the competitive luxury SUV segment. The exterior design combines sleek, aerodynamic lines with BMW's classic styling cues, featuring a large kidney grille and sharper LED headlights that lend it a commanding presence. The M Sport package adds aggressive styling elements, including larger air intakes and aerodynamic enhancements. BMW offers a variety of metallic paint options, including exclusive colors for a customized look. For wheels, it comes with standard 20-inch alloy rims, with optional 22-inch wheels available for those looking for a more dynamic stance. Inside, the 2026 X5's cabin blends premium materials and a technology-rich environment, creating a refined atmosphere for both driver and passengers. High-quality leather upholstery is standard, along with customizable trim options like open-pore wood, aluminum, or carbon fiber. The front seats are not only heated but also ventilated and come with multiple massage settings, ensuring comfort during long drives. BMW's Live Cockpit Professional system is at the heart of the digital interface, featuring dual 14.9-inch curved displays that handle both instrument cluster and infotainment functions. The iDrive 8.5 operating system supports intuitive gesture and voice controls, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration makes smartphone connectivity seamless. Enhanced audio comes courtesy of a Harman Kardon surround sound system, though audiophiles can upgrade to the Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. Under the hood, BMW offers multiple powertrains for the X5, including a base 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine producing 335 horsepower, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower, and a plug-in hybrid variant combining a turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor for a combined 389 horsepower. All versions are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which provides optimal traction and stability across different driving conditions. The hybrid model can travel up to 40 miles on electric power alone, making it ideal for short urban commutes with zero emissions. The X5's adaptive suspension system offers an ideal balance of comfort and sporty handling, while the optional air suspension adds even more refinement by adjusting ride height for easier entry and better ground clearance. Safety is a priority in the 2026 X5, featuring the latest driver assistance technology. The standard active driving assistant includes lane departure warning, blind spot detection, front and rear collision mitigation, and pedestrian detection. The optional Driving Assistance Professional package enhances safety features with adaptive cruise control that allows for semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions, as well as active lane keeping assistance. Night vision, parking assistant, and a surround view camera system make maneuvering this SUV effortless, even in challenging environments. Efficiency has been improved across the board, with the hybrid achieving 50 mph and the base model offering competitive fuel economy for its class. Sustainability also extends to the vehicle's build, as BMW has incorporated more eco-friendly materials and responsible manufacturing processes. Overall, the 2026 BMW X5 combines luxury, technology, and performance with a sustainable focus, appealing to drivers looking for a versatile yet sophisticated SUV that keeps up with the times.